So us on our way out on our last trip in the van, off down to Stoneleigh Kit Car Show. So, a bit sad for the last trip in the van. Also, really happy about getting the new van next week. So we're so excited, we can't wait. So we are dogless this time, which makes a nice change, but also makes us feel a bit sad because the weather is fantastic. The weather is fantastic, which is perfect normally when we have cumulus, so that's a bit of a shame. Yeah.
It's a car show, so taking a dog to a car show, not really that good for him.
Not for him, anyway. Yeah. So yeah, catch up a bit later.
So if you've got important files on your computer that you want backed up securely online, you need Excel Cloud. Head over to excelcloud.uk now, enter the code GadgetJohn at checkout and get 20% off. Hello. Outtakes TV.
Oh, brilliant.
Yeah, traffic on the way down was like really bad. So, got some pictures of really bad traffic. Usual bank holiday UK traffic.
And we're laughing so much we're crying because we've had too much cider.
Yeah.
Well, there's the usual. I sit in the sunshine while John drones away. So I've got the new Mav Spark, I think it is. No, it's not the Spark, he'll tell me if I'm saying that. That is going on there, which is fab. A little bit of time. Got a whole battery charging debacle that he'll tell you about, I'm sure. So he's droning away and I get to sit with the old pins out and some cider. Isn't that right, babe?
I think I got the most out of my battery then.
Yeah? And how long did you get in the end?
I got about 4
You've been attacked! You've been attacked!
dandelion sugars. Yeah, I got about 4.5 minutes, but I got enough to go over the Westfields doing donuts.
Oh, smashing! Oh, that's good then. So what is it? I've just said it's a Spark, but it's not. It's the next one up, isn't it?
Mavic Air.
Mavic Air.
Yeah.
There we go.
Fantastic.
That's me told. Mavic Air.
Yeah.
There we go. Smashing. See you later.
Bye.
Bye.
Took the drone up, as you saw from Mrs. Leggy there, doing some
Sunbathing.
vlogging.
Yes, but don't look at my legs because, you know, sunbathing and all that.
Okay, I'll look at them.
You always do.
I know.
Yeah.
Good legs. I don't know if you've ever been to Stoneleigh National. Says it's the biggest kit car show in the world. So would you call it
world.
International Kit Car Show? But really good. Great for camping, as you can see from the camping views. Hiya.
Hiya, how you doing?
I'm alright, Tom.
Good stuff.
So we had a good weekend. It's a good show, and met a few nice, interesting people. The organiser of the Overland show was here in his Land Rover Freelander with a
Pop-top sleepy
roof box.
Very cool. I really liked his Land Rover deck chair with a little wine holder on the side.
Yeah.
That was amazing.
Yeah,
Need one of those.
pretty cool.
Yep.
All the owners clubs things that we drove around and that,
Yep.
they were all pretty cool as well. Everyone's got their little club stand sorted out and everything.
Everything's different. There's not one setup that was the same everywhere we were going. It was really cool. All different kinds of camping equipment and campers and tents and some people have got it set up so it's like party central in there, isn't it? It's very cool. I love it.
And obviously the cars, the kit cars, they were really cool as well. So yeah, I've had a good weekend. Lovely, lovely, lovely weather, which is like, you know, unheard of for a British bank holiday weekend.
Absolutely.
So yeah, it's been brilliant. And yeah, we've had a great use out of the van. Like you say, we stayed in a hotel, so the van's been a good day van, and this is the honest truth now. And it's got nothing to do with the fact that I know it's going on Wednesday, but despite having a bed and everything, it's a great day van.
It is a perfect day van. It's got everything you need. We've been cooking up cheese sandwiches. We've had our friends around with their little boy who's just loved coming in and out of the van and tried to have a nap on the bed and while we were all sat outside, having the fridge there stocked full
keep
of
your
stuff.
snacks
Nice
cool,
and
cool drinks and stuff like that.
No, it is really good.
Ridge Monkey for some you know, butties and stuff like that.
Yep.
Grilled cheese sandwiches.
Oh, ladybird.
Ladybird's coming into the frame now.
Nice.
So yeah, brilliant time, loads of cool cars, and next year obviously coming the new van. But if you are considering it, it's the National Kit Car Show.co.uk, I think it is. Every the first May bank holiday of every year, so it's over the Sunday and Monday. And if you've got a kit car or you've not got a kit car, it doesn't seem to matter. If you love cars, come here.
They've got fair rides on. They've got dodgems and like a fun house and carousels and stuff. They have the Westfield stand doing donuts. They do actual donuts.
Yeah, they do donuts as well.
That you can eat. And there's beer tents
shops
and pick and mix and little restaurants. And there's loads of stuff to do in sea and so much space. So if you like camping, you can come and you've got things to do and things to eat on site. And you've got so much room to set up and just let the kids have a bit of a run round if you want to. It's smashing. You don't need a kit car to come here. It's fab.
If you just like cars or you like camping and the event and all that kind of stuff goes with it, then come here. It's so much space, like you say, 30 quid, and then you can just roam around. So the space we're in now, no one else seems to have parked up here or anything like that. There's a few tents over that way, some tents over that way, loads of motorhomes over that way, because there's like a hard standing for, what do you call it, where they...
The horse trails, isn't it?
The gymkhana thing in the middle. So there's just a hard standing around it
for all the horse boxes, I'm assuming, and then they have like a walkway to take the horses down, because it's a farming centre, isn't it? So it's all based around. It's a good
location, well organised and everything, easy to get access to.
Yeah.
Loads of pubs and everything around here as well.
Apparently a really good all-you-can-eat Chinese 5 minutes away, which
Chinese
was a new
buffet,
find. Yeah, it was good, which was good, apparently.
Yeah. And don't forget to hit that thumbs up button if you did like it. If you're not already, hit the subscribe button. And thank you very much for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.
Yep.
See you later. Bye.